In this video, I will teach you how to create a DocuSign Developer Account. So first of all, on your browser of your choice, you need to search for DocuSign Developer Account, and this allows you to simply develop and test your applications in secure and real-time scenarios. So you need to head over to the first link, head over to that, and then you will be coming across an interface. Now just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. You can see basically this is the developer account section. You can create your new account using this create account section. Now all you need to do is simply add in here your basic credentials, like for example your first name, your last name, email address, your company, your country. You can choose anything from here, and you also have what do you want to build. Like for example, you have API integration. You can easily get that done and click on get started, and you will be good to go. And by the way, you can get 30-day free trial using the link in the description below on DocuSign, so make sure to do try that out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.